Regicide at Trajan Citadel.
Go, Blue Team!
The land burned. Our people suffer and die.
It is your rightful king!
Yet the lion's whelp dares to strike now. You have no claim, boy. Charge now, my masons. Clear the rats from their nests. For the red and black!
Agathians! We must hold the front
Straight
line
on!
so we can reinforce our position!
Let's go, you sodden ass badgers! It won't work.
I've had enough of these archers.
Reinforcements are almost here! Hold our positions!
Wake up!
Our reinforcements have arrived! Consolidate our forces and push forward!
Move your asses!
Escort the ram to their gates! The success of our offensive hinges on its destruction!
Straight on! Oops. Take those! This is bollocks! I'll do you for that!
Nearly there! Keep pushing that ram! It is the key to the kingdom!
Straight on! Bugger all! Get up, you! Go! 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 This is bad! Get up, you!
I'll stay up this time. I refuse to stand up and fight before I can even muster.
We're screwed!
Ow!
That's enough! I'll grow some plums and push forward! This is
Well fought, my brothers and sisters! The ram is in place!
Let's
Shatter
go!
that gate! The demon Mulrich's heroine cowers somewhere within!
Shut your gob! It smells worse than a cadaver's ass.
Stop, Bowser!
Keep that cunny burrow quiet, for sod's sake. We're screwed! This is... Fight on!
The gate has fallen! Agathians! Make your way through the city to the citadel! Agathians! We must use powder kegs to blast our way through the city ruins! Ulrich's lair is near!
Rejoice, for he bade.
I'm not. This is shite! Hold! Let's go, you sodden ass badgers! This is bad!
Out of that.
Our defenses crumble beneath the weight of our wrath! Keep pushing!
This is bugger all! Forward! Quit rustling my bangers and move! Bugger all! I can... Not... Hurry on! This is bollocks! Sod my ass! I got the... This is shite!
More kegs! Bring more powder kegs! Agathians! clear! Onward! Into the courtyard! Agathians! Let us eradicate that monstrous monument to vanity! We shall draw the Dark Eagle from its nest!
Repudiate their rangers!
Do you for that? Leave no one alive! Won't work. Bugger! Not happening.
People shall be called, and they will
Not good!
rejoice. Is too good.
Bullets! For the blue and gold! Death can kiss my ass!
Wavering faith.
This is mine!
Well done! The courtyard is ours! Ulrich has nowhere to run! Nowhere to hide! Ulrich! In the name of Argon, the first of his name, cast down your sword, or die in disgrace!
Argon! You, Argon! Come! I will reunite you with your father! Sard my ass! You trade your own people! This is bollocks! To you!
Your dismissal. My duty to bring them justice.
Move your asses! You cannot even comprehend the measure of the sacrifices I made for this.
I stand for every man, woman, and the last of your tyranny.
Not! This kingdom, it was I who restored it to its former glory!
My father cannot rest in peace until Agathian is restored to the throne.
Hurry on! To battle! That's about enough. Do not understand! I loved your father! bigger than our petty
You
squabble!
will die, Mulric! It is your promise of Agatha!
I'll do you for that.
Failed you, my brothers. Do not let the dream of Agatha die with me.